Like, can you guys see the vapor?
Look what you created. Everything surrounding me, you made it. Everything's so beautiful the way it flows together. I think I hear birds singing your praises. Amen. I swear you make me feel like I'm your favorite. Oh, it's the way the birds fly across the
Human hair, okay. Great human hair.
When I smell like success and victory, you know I'm made in his image, righteous.
Good morning, angels. Today is Sunday. It's a new day, a blessed day, and it's a beginning of a new vlog. I'm Ama Blade, the Princess of Akin, and I'm back on your screens with another page of my visual diary. Today I'm so excited that I'm going to church, and finally my vlog is starting on a Sunday. Like, it should start every single day. And today I'm going to church. I have two bags in mind, this bag and this bag. What do you guys think? Which one should I go for? Should I go for this, or I should go for this? I think I'll go with this bag. And guys, I'm wearing my wig from what's the name, Black Hair. Yes, I got it as a PR package, and now I don't have to worry about any wig or any hairstyle I want to take to church, because I'm a wig influencer now, like officially. Okay, period. See you guys when I come back from church. I have a lot of things to do today, so guys, see you when I'm back from church.
Look what you created. Everything surrounding me, you made it. Everything's so beautiful the way it.
Hi guys, I just closed from church. When I get home, I'll talk to you guys. Bye.
I swear you make me feel like I'm your favorite. Oh,
I'm finally back from church, and today we learned about the core values of the church, like what we are supposed to do as, you know, church members. So when I was coming back home, I bought wache, my favorite food, obviously. I don't like preparing wache because I don't know, it takes time. So I went to buy it, and then it doesn't really look aesthetically pleasing because everything is mixed. So this is it. I'm taking this, then rest for some time, then we begin work. Okay, period. Hi angels, I'm done doing everything. I posted the wig video. Like, I posted that I got a lot of wigs from international companies, guys. In 4 hours, it's almost like at 11k. You guys, people like to be gested, so that's what I'm going to do to my TikTok family. But my YouTube family, I know you guys will watch me regardless, so I love you guys regardless. Now that I'm a wig influencer, any giveaway at all, I'll start from my YouTube people. I mean, those who comment on my YouTube, those who have subscribed. Now YouTube has given you an opportunity to see your subscribers, so I'll go through my subscribers, those who comment a lot, those who like Jigga, those who interact with my videos. Free week for you, so be serious. Like, love me from your heart, not because I'm going to give you a free week. Okay, so yeah, let's finish eating, then get to work, then start studying, then school tomorrow. Bye loves. I'm done dressing up, and this is my outfit. I don't know if you guys can see, and this is my hair. Yeah, I'm putting on my sunscreen. So at dawn, the company that promised to pay me for the wig collaboration finally sent the money, and then I texted my brother to send it to me. Yeah, so yeah, paid wig influencer. Why, period. So I'm done, and this is my outfit. I'm wearing this bag, and then this dress, and then finally done with the installation. I'm running late, so I'll just hurry and then go. Bye loves, see you in school.
man, I swear you make me feel like I'm your favorite. Oh, it's the way the birds fly across the sunset.
Hi guys, I just got to campus, and I'm going to LSP. I'm going to give her her product. And then what would I do? Yeah, I told them my lace is looking some way, so I'm going for a band. Then we go for our next class. Yeah, apparently the first class was online, and I didn't know, and I rushed. Like, can you imagine? Anyways, it's good. So yeah, I'm on campus. See you at LS Place. Bye. Hey guys, I just got to LS Place. I don't know when I got here. It's like now the lace is not showing. I don't know, but I feel like it's showing. But anyway, I'm coming to study for the pre-lab quiz and probably do a recap of the research methods. Yeah. We have a class at 11:30 and this is what I'm having for breakfast. Rice, porridge and milk and then bread. So yeah, see you guys in class. Bye. Hi guys, so I'm going for my practical class. See you guys there. Bye.
Your father, oh, it's the way the birds fly across the sunset sky. I feel like you did it for me. It's the way your love feels. It's the way that I hear all of creation.
Hi guys, I just finished writing my IE and it was a practical question right here.
Nothing to.
So good evening guys, it's finally evening and I'm now going home because as I told you guys earlier, I went to do my IE, yeah, and just as I predicted, this woman exactly the same thing. I knew she would not go and ask me any define. She just put a practical question there and it was there. Okay, so right now I'm going to Ablikma, yes, because my money is finished and I need more money. If not, I will not go there because I have a lot of things to do. But anyway, let's go. Hi angels, good morning. Today is Tuesday and I have a class, so this is my outfit for class here, and I'm very late but I'm still here. Can you imagine? See you guys in class. Bye.
Time again for a new season. I feel like you did it for me, yeah. What was it like? The moment that you spoke and everything around you changed and things came to life.
Hi angels, good morning. Today is Wednesday and I was not able to go to class because of some reasons. So yeah, I don't know, I feel sick, but I rebuke that in the name of Jesus, okay? So today I want to study because we have back-to-back IAs next week. So I'm going to edit my vlogs. Like every video I have to edit. Make sure I put voiceovers on all of them. And then study a bit so that like I can be studying a bit before like next week. So yeah, right now I'm come to eat, go take my bath, and hey, where's my sensibilities? Okay, it's there. Then brush my teeth. Then here we get to work. Bye loves. It's evening and this is what I'm having for dinner. I'm so excited because it's been long since I ate some and it's so hot. Like, can you guys see the vapor? Your food can never, okay, period. I received some packages as PR packages, I mean wigs, okay? So I've done videos about it already on TikTok. I've posted one, that is the one that I'm wearing, and then I'll post the rest later. But I want to show you guys the wigs that I got. So this is one. This one is from an Amazon vendor. It's a synthetic wig, but I love it so much because it's very easy to like work around with, and the lace is HD. Okay, so yeah, period. Then I got one from OQ Hair. This is the wig. Like, it's so quality. The wig is so quality. I'm the one who has just bought everything because I fixed it for the video. So yeah, but it's so quality, even though it's not that full. It's very quality. Okay, these two wigs from Black Hair. One is like a short bob with bangs. So this is the one with the bob. Like, you guys, I cannot explain the texture to you. Like, it's so soft. Human hair. Okay, correct human hair. It's so soft. This one is also curly water wave. It has bangs. Okay, I've already wore it in the beginning of this video, so you guys can already see it. So yeah, this is it. As I said, I've worn it in the video already, so you guys can see. So yeah, I thought like maybe wigs with bangs will not fit me, but it's actually okay. It's not that bad. So now I have two water wave wigs and then one kinky curly. That's the half wig that I got that long time ago. I got this package from Sheelash. Yeah. Guys, if I tell you how soft these lashes are, like, I can't wait to have it on my eye. Okay, they are so soft and cute. I just took a picture for it for my Instagram. I'll put it on the video. That's not all, but that's what I can show you guys for now. And as I said, my YouTube family, I'm going to do a wig giveaway. This one, I'm serious. If I get like above 10 wigs, maybe got my 10th wig, I'll do a giveaway. Okay, any wig of mine that you want, okay, just tell me and then I'll send it to you. That's your activeness, like on my page, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, most especially YouTube, those who comment and all of that. I've already said it before. So yeah, that is basically for today. I don't want to make today a long day, so we are going to work everything out tomorrow. I mean, we are going to begin a new day tomorrow by God's grace. Tomorrow I'll go to school, I'll go to campus because I have a lot to do on campus. I always have a lot doing. You guys, I feel like I like talking a lot, but don't worry, okay, that's how I am. That's why you have to learn me like that. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow, God willing. Bye and good night. Don't forget to read Psalm 4 before you sleep, okay? I almost forgot one of the wigs. It's not like a wig, but like it's a crochet hair. Yeah, it has already been done. So all you have to do is to put the crocheting pin in your hair, drag this thing through it, and then you just put your hair into it. It looks like, okay, this is one of it. So when you are done fixing, then it will hang on your hair like you've braided, but if not braided, you just put it under your hair. Yeah, but I didn't know that it's supposed to be like this, so I divided it initially, making it look like this. I don't know who is going to be able to do it for me, but I have to post the video. Like, they are pressuring me to send them a picture of me in the thing, and I'm not even able to figure it out. There was no instructions by it. They said it was passion twist hair. So this one is a ponytail. It came with lashes and how to fix the ponytail, extra pins to hold everything, claw clip ponytail. So this is the claw clip here. So you just have to do it like this in a claw clip. You drag it along like your ponytail, and that's all. You have your ponytail. This one, you just, when you braid your normal cornrows, you just clip it. So those are the clips. So you just clip it into your hair. Like if you want it to be at the front, you can clip it into your front hair and then to give you this vibe. I don't think this is even enough for a full head. Hey, so let's use it for a ponytail. Guys, good morning. So yeah, I was sleeping in the car and then they fused me to pass the one first. You know where I am. I'm at UPS. Can you imagine? I'm late for the class on Wednesday. Guys, it's 7:27 and this is my department. I'm not late, okay? I'm not late. Guys, the class was online and I was rushing. Like the class was online and I was rushing. Hi angels, good evening. Today is Saturday. Yesterday I couldn't vlog because I was so tired. I was so cold. I was feeling super cold. If you know how cold I was feeling, and if you know me personally, you know I don't like cold weather. I'm just about to do my skincare. I'll use this fresh ampule whatever, and I'll use this Onia. I did an ad for this and I started using it, guys. After using it, my face was getting smoother. My face is white because I just washed my face. And finally, this my Samu toner is getting finished. Like, I really love this toner. If I had enough money, I would have bought it again. And I'm also using this ampule from Skin 100. Today I was passing by a shop that I wanted to do an ad for, so I just spoke to the woman and she was like, okay, just come the next day because I'm closing my shop. And I said, okay, sure. So today I'm going there. I pray that hopefully she agrees that we should do an ad, and then a paid ad. Yeah, I'll be so excited. I posted on my TikTok like not long ago about some wigs, so I'm going to tag, I'm going to put the link in my description box if you're interested in any wigs. Like, they are so affordable, like a very bouncy wig view, and it's like 1,200, and the least wig is like 300 cedis. They are all human hairs, okay? So I'm going to tag here. So yeah, I said I've realized that I like talking a lot in my vlogs, but you guys shouldn't worry. That's how I am. Like, I like talking. So yeah.
Was it beautiful when you saw everything you made? And it's crazy to think in the midst of it all, you already knew my name. And the more that I see you, the more I'm in awe. I can't help but feel this way. It's the way the birds fly across the sunset.
I just came back from the woman's place, the woman that I told you guys about, that I'm going to ask her if she'll be interested in an ad. She said yes, but the price that I mentioned to her and the videos she wants me to do, the number of videos, is not so good. Thank you guys so much for sticking and staying throughout my whole video. I'm so happy that you guys love me that much to watch my videos, like over 15 minutes video, and you still be watching. I love you guys. Okay, see you guys in another vlog. Remember that it's always the Princess of Akin, and I'll be back on your screens with another page of my visual diary. Bye.
When I smell like success and victory, you know I'm made in his image, righteous.